Hello all, once again, I'm here with the topic Evolution of Earth of Unit 1 in Commercial Geography. The picture shows that how the Earth is formed 2 billion ago and what is today. Before going into the subject, let us watch this video. So that is the video. So how the Earth is evolved and what is the basis for evolution of Earth. See, you can see this picture. In this picture, you can see the Earth is in the 1, 2, 3, 4th place. So the Earth is in 1, 2, 3, third from Sun, and another one is here is remaining all the planets. So here, so everything is revolving around the Sun. This is otherwise called as a universe. So coming to our topic, that is evolution of Earth. As I shown you in the video, so let us look at a glance what are the facts. So I have gathered something for you. So this is all about The age of Earth is approximately one third of the age of the universe. So one third of universe already universe was formed. So later on, the planet was our planet Earth was formed. Earth formed around 4.5 billion, as I shown you in the video, and they accelerated from the solar nebula. So here is the nebular hypothesis. Hypothesis means it's an assumption. So Immanuel Kant, a German philosopher, gives this theory. Who proposed nebular hypothesis means you can say that Immanuel Kant, a German philosopher, gave this nebular hypothesis. In 1796, mathematician Pierre Simon and Laplace re-examined it, and they again worked on this nebular hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, what it says, the planets were molded out of a cloud of material associated with a young sun, which is rotated slowly. Revised, so everything is formed of the cloud material. So, revised nebular hypothesis was proposed by Karl Wiesaskar in Germany, Otto Schmidt in Russia. They regarded that a solar nebula surrounded the sun, and that nebula comprised of chiefly hydrogen. Here is a gas, helium, and something called dust. The collision of the particles, as I shown you, the collision of the particles, the friction caused a disc-shaped cloud to be formed, and then the planet were created via the accretion process. So here the modern theory, Big Bang theory, which is also known as expand universe hypothesis. Previously nebular hypothesis, now it is expanding universe hypothesis. This is a modern theory, as I told you, and most accepted theory. What it says is it is believed that the Earth was 13.7 billion ago. So who proposed this one is Edwin Hubble. Was the first one provided the evidence that the universe is expanding in 1920. Right. So this is all about the facts of evolution of Earth. So coming to this lithosphere, why we have to study in this topic? Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the outer part of Earth, so which is a rocky layer, and at the same time this is a primordial stage, the first stage, and it consists of high density temperature. So the capacity, it is having the capacity to face this sunlight. So the material started separating depending on the density. Based on the density, it varies. The light material comes outside, and the heavy material went inside. So it is cooled, condensed into solid, which is called lithosphere. Lithosphere means outer space, or otherwise called as a geosphere. You can call it as a geosphere. At the time of formation of moon, the Earth again become hot due to different layers formed. Yes, these are all the layers. You can see the layers. And coming to the galaxy, so why you have to touch this galaxy means you have to know the nebular hypothesis. So we need to understand the concept of galaxy, or otherwise called as the Milky Way. So galaxy is a group of stars. Galaxies normally spread over the vast distance, which are measured in thousands of light years. So here is a second point we need to understand is the galaxy start to form the accumulation of hydrogen gas. So we need to underline that point, hydrogen gas, in the form of a very large cloud called nebula. That is what we are calling is a sky, or whatever you can call it. So light travels at the speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. So the mean distance between the sun and the earth is about lakhs kilometers, and in terms of light years, it is 8.3 1 minutes. Here from sun, the rays is coming out, and you can see this Milky Way, how the stars and different um, Milky Way, you can see that one. It's an emission of light from the sun. In this way we can that is distributed and how we it reflecting. And the Milky Way, our solar it is, as I told you, that the galaxy, 8 planets. So the sun, 63 moons, and millions of smaller bodies like asteroids and comets, and a huge quantity of dust particles and gases. You can see all in the universe. The planet of Milky Way were formed about 4.6 billion years ago. So this is all about the Milky Way. That means which consists of gases and dust particles. And the overall view of this presentation here, how the facts of evolution of Earth. So the outer part is a rocky and hot object, that is a lithosphere, and hydrogen and helium were present. It was formed about 4.6 by the Earth, was a layered structure, and lighter layer formed at the outer surface, and of course a harder will go into the inside. In lithosphere, the geosphere, otherwise called as a geosphere, there was a volatile state during its primordial stage. Due to high density, temperature increased. The material started separating depending upon their density, light material, as it is shown in the evolution of Earth. And the Milky Way, of course, galaxy, so terrestrial planets. And so this is all about evolution of Earth, and we will again meet in another video. Until then, have a good time. Thank you.